Welcome to our How to Draw Snowflake series. These snowflakes are available for free in a bundle from my Creative Fabrica store, and these snowflakes are 8 in number, which we are going to build one by one, and these are available for free from my Creative Fabrica store. And the link to this design will be in the description of this video. We are going to build a snowflake. So for that I have opened a new 12 into 12 inch file in Illustrator, and on the layer 1 you see we have nothing. So on the layer 2 I'll just keep it, and I'm going to show my grid and allow the snapping by snap to grid and bring guides right in the middle. If I click on a ruler and bring this line, which is a Illustrator guide, now this is right in the middle. Now I know where, and I'm going to hide my grid, stop snapping. So this will, as a product designer, I always start my designs from the center of the artboard, because this is how you will achieve the uniformity and symmetry in the design. So I'm going to build my snowflake into a 12 into 12 inch area, because I intend to sell it also for a sublimation design or for vector or for vinyl cutting. So 12 into 12 design will be accurate and people can use it easily. And now I'm going to start building my snowflake. So I googled some real snowflake shapes, so you can see this is I'm going to attempt to make a shape like that where a pattern is repeating in a circle. So let's start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my pen tool, draw a line. So this will be our basic shape, which we are going to rotate from here, from the middle, and then it will make a complete shape. So we are going to work on the one unit. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit, get rid of the fill. Now it's only stroke. Let's change color to dark blue. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to center it first. I'm going to build this snowflake rather quick, and let's see. Now what I will choose my pen tool again, and I will make some lines like that, like this, and again like this. That's it. And now I'm going to finish this. Now they are rough, but it's okay. I'm going to work with them. And now what I'm going to do, I need pointed corners. I'm going to select this stroke and go to this menu right beside the stroke width, variable width profile, and I'm going to select this. Here you go. Now this is like a triangle, but I'm going to flip it, so this shapes become like that. And then again I'm going to select the other stroke, and I'm going to go to again this arrowhead like triangular shape. So this is one option I can flip, and another option is that I can go to the stroke and change the stroke profile. Perfect. And again do the same with the last one. Go to the stroke, change the profile of the stroke. Oh, we didn't select anything. Here you go. So they are good, and I am going to just make this one larger and slightly more bigger in the stroke. It's okay if it's showing from here, that's fine, we'll fix it. Now it becomes like this. Now I want this line to be slightly styled as well. For that, what I'm going to do, again I'm going to try this line. This looks little better. with slide points. And so this snowflake can be built anyway. I'm going to build it like that, and I'm going to reflect these shapes, group them, and reflect these shapes. Right click, select, right click, transform, reflect, and reflect them vertically, copy, and with the help of an arrow key I'm going to bring them to the other side. Here you go. And to make them exactly symmetrical, I'm going to choose this one, hold my shift key, choose this one. I'm going to choose align to selection first, exactly align them, group them, then again choose them, align to artboard, and align in the middle. So this shape is now right exactly in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is copy this shape, because this is my basic unit. I don't want it to if I spoil this one, I will always have my safe copy. And now I want this shape to rotate around a point, around a rotation center. So I'm going to select my pen tool, click here, select my selection tool, and this will let this point go. I'll make it go slightly up like that. And now I'm going to select this point and align it to the center of the artboard and right in the middle by selecting align to artboard option. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this and make it into a one unit. So for that I'm just going to select everything, object, expand, and unite from Pathfinder. You can find Pathfinder from Windows, Pathfinder, and usually people have it here. I always have it on my near my left hand side, so I can use it quickly. Now this is a one unit. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this and this point that we put, check the alignment, group them, and again I will select this, go to effect, distort and transform, and you see this green box now is represented here, and it is asking me to select the center of rotation. So I'm going to select this point, preview. Now this is hit trial and error. I just want 5 or 6 points, repetitions, and let's try 30, and this is the angle of rotation. Oh, this looks like it is bunched up. Maybe try double 60. This looks perfect. This looks fine. What if this is 5? 4. So we need 5. Here you go. So our snowflake is almost done. Now just to join all these parts, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select an ellipse from the rectangle menu, select an ellipse, hold shift and alt and draw an ellipse like that. And I'm going to make sure that this ellipse is also right in the middle of the artboard, and here you go. I will hide my guides, and you see this snowflake is almost done. I'll just bring the size of it little, and I will make this like this. So the snowflake is done. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to check. So if I have this here, I will just put it on another layer, on a layer where I will say working layer. Let's lock it and put it here. Control V, this goes there. Now hide this layer. Now we have to inspect our design. So this design, you can see here in the layer menu, this is a path, which is this one, and this is a group, which is this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to object, expand appearance, and then again select everything. Object, expand, fill and stroke. Now I'm going to get rid of the stroke right there. Object, expand, and from Pathfinder I'm going to unite. There you go. And object, expand, unite, and here I'm going to change it to a compound path. So your snowflake is now ready.